Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by Carl's Garage. So this video will be posted on Straight Outta Content channel, but again, it is a Carl's Garage production or whatever you want to call it. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I came across this article while doing research for my second ebook. So if you're not aware, I have an ebook out right now for $9.99. Again, the reason why I sell it is because it allows me to take time from my normal business and create videos like this, which tells you how to get your engine replaced. So I came across this while doing the new Piston Ring Recall, because there's a Piston Ring Recall that a lot of people don't know on these new vehicles, especially with the 2-liter NU engines. And somebody actually reached out to me the other day in the V6 engines. And unfortunately, even though those engines and transmissions are failing for the 3.3-liter V6 and twin turbo V6 that are in like a lot of like the higher end cars, like the Stinger and stuff like that, there's no recall. But those engines are failing too. Different parts of those engines are failing too. But unfortunately, there's no recall, there's no settlement. So I can't cover that because there's no process to get your engine replaced. You're just kind of dead in the water. But let me go ahead and show you guys the book that I have. So if you're not familiar, this right here is the Kia Hyundai Engine Handbook, a special guide to get your engine replaced. Now, again, this also covers Genesis cars. So if you have the Theta 2 engine in your car, which there were, the Theta 2 engine was in a lot of Hyundai Genesis cars, this will apply to you. I know I had somebody recently here that said, hey, I purchased a book, but I didn't see my 3.3-liter V6 engine in there. And I'm like, there's no recall on that book. I have all these videos out there. You guys, before you purchase anything, you definitely want to make sure that you're doing your research, because unfortunately, those engines do fail. There's a lot of issues with those V6 engines. Unfortunately, there's not enough for a recall like with the 4-cylinder engines and the hybrid engine, which is a 4-cylinder engine with an electric assistance. But again, this first book is very important and a lot of people are getting it. I'm about to be finished putting it on Amazon. I hope that it's going to be a bestseller. I'm kind of at the end of the year for 2023, so I don't know if it'll be a bestseller this year, but the goal is to have it be a bestseller for 2024. So again, please go get that book. It's helped hundreds of people so far get their engine replaced. I know I have a ton of videos. Again, I'll show you guys here I have a ton of videos and a ton of playlists, and these videos have been helping thousands of people get their engines replaced through all the parts that I have that are associated with Kia engine settlement. But I compiled everything into one little ebook, and then it also comes with downloadable files. But this video is about, I'm trying to do like a second part, but I just want to let you guys know that it's not just me. So as of this year, early this year, the beginning of the year, this article came out by this news channel, and I'm not going to read you the whole article, but it's just little known loophole exists in Kia Hyundai limited lifetime warranty. Kia knows about this, and not only are they not helping people, but they're actively seeking to deny people. Now, I've been saying this for a very, very long time, and I had to write a book and I had to do all this stuff related to letting you guys know that, hey, don't buy Kia, Hyundai, or Genesis products because they could care less about the issue that they know. But what I do want to do, I want to play you guys the audio from this video. So this guy has 3 parts right here, and I just want you guys to hear what he has to say. So let's go ahead, let's take a listen.
Metal shavings from the engine production process weren't properly cleaned production process and would later end up in the oil channels of the engine. This would then block oil flow to critical parts of the engine like the connecting rod bearings and eventually cause them to fail prematurely, causing engine components to knock around and destroy the engine.
Okay, it looks like that his audio cut out. So I don't know what happened there at the end, but we have 2 more clips. So let's go ahead and play the second and third clip. But just a little recap of this. Again, I'll put the link in the description to this specific article. I'm so glad that I found this because you guys have been seeing me cover this issue for a very long time. But I love whenever I see other people do their due diligence to tell you the exact same thing that I'm telling you here. So and this is right here, this is a newscaster guy. He said, do you drive a Kia or Hyundai? Due to the issues with the Theta 2 engine, you could be eligible for a free lifetime warranty on your engine if the KSDS product upgrade. I spoke with the drive about the flaw in the engine. And the loophole is here we go, if you don't have the KSD upgrade installed in your car, isn't going to throw a check engine light when the problem occurs, and Kia won't warranty the engine. And he's right. Now, are there instances where you can get your engine replaced if you don't have the KSDS? Yes. And he's actually somebody who successfully has done that because he had a bunch of information and he was able to submit his car to a dealership with all of the information pertaining to the recall, and the dealerships in Kia know, hey, even though this person doesn't have the KSDS, we understand that there's a recall on their car. Therefore, we have to proceed with replacing their engine. So that's the reason why I wrote the handbook, because yes, if you don't have the KSDS, you're probably SOL, but that doesn't mean that you don't have hope. That doesn't mean that you can't compile all of the engine, go into, multiple dealerships, multiple Hyundai dealerships or Kia dealerships, and be like, hey, listen, this is a recall related situation. You please start the process. Obviously be kind about it, but as long as you have all the data and paperwork, and be like, hey, listen, I'm gonna keep vlogging. I'm gonna write, stuff like this, a report about, you not wanting to replace my engine when it just failed the other day when I was driving on the highway. You can pressure these dealerships into replacing their engines, because he's somebody who did. So let's go ahead. Let's hear part 2. Okay, so we are here at part 2. So here we go. As the second owner of the car, Jarvis was never notified of the required KSDS upgrade by Kia. They were only required to send it to the first owner, and he is 100% correct. And again, this is information that I've covered numerous times in all of my videos, and calling my local Kia dealership here in Texas and them telling me the exact same thing. And again, all of those videos are in the book. They're in the playlist. So it's up to you to do your due diligence and read through everything, because as the second, third, fourth, fifth owner of these cars, Kia doesn't have to tell you. They don't have to tell you, and they also have enough public information out there. All of these articles that you're looking at, this Twitter thing that I'm looking at, this counts. So and that's the reason why they settled out not $1 but $2 billion lawsuits in relation to the Kia engine settlement, because it's public information by now. It's 2023. It's public information. They've literally moved on from that engine. They don't even make it anymore. So, and the ones that they're putting in your car are used. So let's go ahead. Let's play the second part, because all of this information is very important. I want you guys to hear it, not just from me. This is a serious issue all the way up until 2023.
Now, if you don't have that KSDS upgrade installed, your car isn't going to check engine light when this problem occurs, and Kia won't warranty the engine. So the key thing is, whether you've got a new or a used Kia, you want to have this KSDS upgrade installed. Otherwise, you're not going to have that coverage from the warranty for this problem.
Okay, so you guys just heard it from him. Again, like I've been telling you, you want the KSDS installed on your car. That's the reason why I wrote the book. I wrote the book to inform you guys, hey, listen, these are the steps that you need to take, right? Step-by-step guide to engine replacement. Find your nearest dealership, schedule an appointment, ask questions, preparing documentation, proof of ownership, recall information, maintenance records, VIN verification, the replacement process. Once you arrive at your appointment, the engine replacement process typically goes as follows: engine failure, oil consumption, rod bearing failure, recalls and defects. These are all the recalls and defects related to all the cars. Engine replacement. Oh, sorry, that was the next one. Which one is it? Oh, I'm sorry, it's not 2 pages. Here we go. Engine recall. These are all the different paperworks that are inside so not just inside the book, but whenever you get the link, you're going to get all of these hard documents right here that you can just print out. And right here, fourth notice, state of engine, safety, recall. So, and this right here walks you through getting the KSDS. I think it's in here, right in here where my cursor is. It talks about the KSDS and everything that you need. Here we go, the update. Published 6/17, All of the information that you need is in this handbook from top to bottom. So this is going to walk you through everything that you should kind of expect, and then you're also going to be given all the handbooks. I mean, you're going to be given, not all the handbooks, I'm tripping. You're going to be given all of the hard copies, which are downloadable PDFs, and then you're also going to have access to all of these playlists, 100%. So here's the Hyundai Recall website right here. Here's the Hyundai Recall website, engine recalls. Again, if your VIN doesn't check in, that's okay. Software update, here we go. They actually removed the video there. So the video that used to be here is actually on my channel and in the playlist. Engine monitor, technology extended warranty. This is the knock sensor detection system. How does it work? They actually took the video down, which is very funny that they did that. But engine recall. So all of these links, okay, I don't know what the heck that was. But yes, all of those links, all of those videos and links are right here. All of these are clickable. So you can come right in here and click it. Oh, here we go, right here. Sorrento, Sportage, ECU upgrade, knock sensor detection system software product. This is, you have this document. It's yours. It's yours. Please keep it. Take it in. You know, my 2011 to 2018 Optima, this engine, the 2-liter engines, Sorrento. If you have any of these cars, take them in. Here's right here, the fuel pump recall and all this other stuff, okay? So let's go ahead, let's watch the third video. Oh, crap, what is going on? Okay, let's watch the third video. Hold on, one, two.
The KSDS recall doesn't actually always show up on the NHTSA recall website or on...
Now, I wanted to tell you guys that. Look where we're at, right here. They have it on their website, right? Put in a VIN, right? But I'm telling you, so many people have come here and it hasn't shown up. So many people have come right here, typed in there, check your VIN, and you're like, oh, well, I don't see a recall on my car, so I must be good. No. I'm so glad that he's saying this right here. In close coordination and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, Hyundai has conducted several recalls to address manufacturing. Yeah, but guess what? Not only do they not care about that right there, they also took the video off explaining. And I'm so glad that I downloaded and put it on my channel so that the video will live on forever. So definitely go check that video out where it's Hyundai explaining how their KSDS system works. So I'm just gonna rewind this here because, again, just because you type in your VIN number on their website, Hyundai or Kia, does not mean that you are going to see your car. You probably won't, because they could care less.
The KSDS recall doesn't actually always show up on the NHTSA recall website or on Kia's website.
They're only required to send it to the first owner. Kia knows about this, and not only are they not helping people, but they're actively seeking to deny people.
This is affecting thousands of owners.
Lifetime warranty should mean lifetime warranty. That's exactly what you think. Unfortunately, there's stipulations to that warranty.
Yeah, I don't know why the audio seems to cut out at the end. I don't know what that is. That's something to do with Twitter or whatever it's called now, X. But again, I'm going to close out this video. But again, as you can hear them, they are screwing thousands of people, and they're not here to inform you. They're here to collect the money for a new engine, which is a minimum of $7,000. That's what they're here to do. And if you have the KSDS, cool. They'll replace your engine. It does happen. I got a lot of people. Here's some people right here who got their engines replaced right here. Here's some people right here. Carl, you are the best. I had a C's engine in 2014. I'm sorry, my 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Today, Saturday, September 24th, I have a 2017 something told me because but here we go. Only thing, dealer oil change. I hope this means something. Anyway, oh, and by the way, thank you so much for doing these videos. I've been researching all day and I found out about the class action suit being canceled now. Just hope the hell I can do something with his car. But he ended up calling back and getting it towed Monday up there. And then this lady right here, this is really creepy because I'm the original owner. I did have the KSDS sensor on it, just took my car into the dealership. But I told them I think it may be transmission. However, the videos, looking at the videos, I believe it's the KSDS sensor. They told me the diagnostic would be $389, which is crazy. So that's another thing. Again, they will tell you, and that's the reason why I put these testimonials in the book, because they will tell you it costs money. They will be like, yeah, it costs money. It costs money. Actually, no, it's 100% free. That's what this document right here says. Right here, no charge. Let me see if I can even zoom in. Yes, I can zoom in. Oh, can I go over? Yes, I can. So we're gonna zoom in right there. You can't miss it. Right here, no charge. Your Hyundai dealer will perform a software update of the electrical control module, ECM, to improve the knock sensor detection system software logic. The procedure will be performed at no charge. Also, if your engine fails, it'll be replaced at no charge. And by no charge, they don't mean $300 for, something here or belts or something like that. That's what they're trying to get people on. So again, I'll put the link in the description down below. You guys can go watch this stuff yourself. Again, I'm going to film this again for Carl's Garage, the exact same video, but please purchase the handbook. The link's in the description. Get all this information that you can. This link will also be in there, and go fight these people. Go fight them. Go get your engine replaced, because a lifetime warranty means if your engine fails, you got to get another one. They got to keep putting the engine in your car for the lifetime of the vehicle. But make sure you go get that KSDS. That's going to be it for Straight Content. Stay tuned for the same video on Carl's Garage.